The new tax filing form is here, and you're going to be using it very soon to file your taxes for the previous financial year. And it's called Sahaj. It's supposed to be simple. What are the new features of this new tax filing form? Welcome to Fund to Money, your 24/7 buddy for all your money matters. In this particular video, we will deal with some of the most important or distinct features of this new tax filing form, which is called Sahaj or simple. But for that, you need to wait just a little longer. Sahaj, that is the name of the new tax filing form. You'll be using it very soon to file your income tax for the last financial year. What are the distinct features of this tax filing form? To help us navigate this new creature, we have with us one of the foremost tax experts of this country, Mr. Swami Saran Sharma. Welcome to Fund to Money, Swami. Swami, as far as I can remember, in the last 20 years, I think all began with Saral, and almost every year or every alternate year, a new tax filing form has been coming out. And while we may or may quibble about the level of innovation in the country, but it's pretty on when it comes to tax filing forms. So again, we have a new tax filing form. What are the special things that are there in this tax filing form?
Yes, so then I will start with saying that it is really simple. This Sahaj form is really simple, and it can be filed up to the income levels of 50 lakh in a year. The only thing is that income sources are limited, like income from salary or from pension or from one house. If you are receiving rentals from a house, that also is included, and income from other sources. So all this put together should be less than 50 lakhs for one to qualify to file return in this form. And the other features which you are talking about is like, Aadhar has been made compulsory, and you have to declare all the bank accounts which you are operating on the day of filing of return. And the couple of things like, the deposits which one made during this, after the demonetization announcement, those have to be declared. So, and deductions can be very quickly. I mean, you can, here it is even simple to state the deductions which you are claiming. So under different sections, whatever amount you are claiming, you have to just state that, and that's it.
Swami, how is this new form different from the previous form? And always, to a lay person like me, it always appears that the government or the income tax authority or the taxman has an insatiable urge to have more and more and more of information. Now, how has that got balanced? How is it different from the previous forms?
See, basically, as far as the deductions and TDS is concerned, so those details have been compressed. Like supposing under section 80C, whatever earlier you had to state that how much are you claiming under LIC premium or repayment of principal under a loan which is taken to construct a house or buy a house, and investment in the PPF and all those things you have to state separately. Here you have to just compile them, put them under one head, that so much you have saved under section 80C. And that doesn't require further explanations there. So likewise, the TDS you don't have to state from different sources. You can state just one number, that this much has been deducted as TDS from my accounts. So in that sense, it is simpler.
Well, Sahaj does sound very interesting, as Swami is pointing out. It seems to have compressed a lot of things. Otherwise, how on earth will you get a one-page tax filing form? Let's hope it stays for one page, and you really don't have to work too hard to fill that one page. An easy compliance, easy filing process, easy tax administration, that is a very important plank of tax reforms that are actually going on. For instance, the GST, goods and services tax, that's a tax reform. This, of course, is another important area where a continuous level of improvement has to be done. Thank you so much, Swami. We hope you found this interesting. If you have questions about a Sahaj form or any other bits of a tax filing, all the way up to the deadline of tax filing, we will be coming up with videos and other content on our various social media platforms, our website, www.fun2money.com. We recommend that you use the closed caption option on our videos. Take a look at the description section. There will be useful links and information. Stay connected with us. Till the next time, goodbye.